Tired of emailing yourself Word documents just to send them via WhatsApp? Today, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to share your Word files directly from your computer to WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure your Word document is ready to send. Open the document you want to share on your computer. Next, open your web browser and type web WhatsApp in the address bar. Press enter. You should see a QR code now. Grab your smartphone. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to settings, then tap on linked devices. Tap link a device and scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. This will sync your WhatsApp account to your computer. Once synced, your WhatsApp chats will appear on your computer. Select the contact or group you want to send the document to. Click on the attachment icon. It looks like a paperclip located next to the message bar. A File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the folder where your Word document is saved. Select the document and click Open. The Word document will now appear as an attachment in your message. Simply click the send button, the little paper airplane icon, to send the document. And that's it. Your Word document is now sent via WhatsApp. Now you can easily share your Word documents with anyone on WhatsApp right from your computer. No more emailing yourself.